Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather McCarthy if you are new here, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a Bath & Body Works summer candle haul. So I got 11 new candles to share with you today. If you've been around my channel for a while, you know that I am addicted to Bath & Body Works. And I buy new candles every season. So I got 11 new ones this season, and I am actually really happy. If you watched my last haul, my spring candle haul, a lot of them had defects, errors, some of them were broken. We had a lot of issues. These ones all came in like perfect. Not a single error. The only thing I would say was some of them were a little melted. But if you've been around my channel for a while, you know I live in North Florida, so that's not completely abnormal, and it totally could have happened like sitting on my front porch. So I'm just gonna go through each of these, tell you what I think of how they smell, tell you if I've had them before, and tell you if I would rebuy them. So the first one I have here is Lemon Mint Leaf. And this one I have had multiple times. I buy this every year. It's always a different color. I feel like last year this was green, this year it's yellow. The scents in here are sparkling lemon zest, spearmint leaves, and verbena sprigs. So, as I said, this is one of my favorites. It's just a nice, crisp lemon. I love this one in my living room or in my kitchen during the summer. I love citruses, love, love, love. So I always get lemon mint leaf, and yeah. There are a few new ones in here. They're not all returning favorites, I promise. This one is called Suntan, which this one I have not ever gotten before, and I have not smelled it yet either. This is sun-kissed citrus, orange blossoms, and coconut husks. It smells like sunscreen. Like, this literally smells like a day at the pool. Yeah, and you just slathered yourself in new sunscreen. I know that might not sound appealing to some people, but to me, I like the smell of sunscreen during the summer. So I'm really excited to light this one. I think it'll be really fun. I'm not in love with the packaging. I'll probably tear this off because it is one of those ones that you can just kind of cut and it comes right off. So I'll probably do that, but I do love the smell of this one. Next up, I have Blue Raspberry Snow Cone, which when this box came in yesterday, this one was all I could smell. Literally, I had to be like, what's that smell? And this was what the entire box smelled like. It is really, really strongly scented. It is blue raspberry syrup, a hint of cherry, and a scoop of shaved ice. I wish I had like smell-o-vision right now. This literally smells like a snow cone. It's so strong. Yeah, it smells so strong and so good. I can't wait till this. And I actually really enjoy this packaging for the 4th of July. This reminds me of those like popsicles, the red, white, and blue firecracker popsicles. So I don't know, I like it. I like it for the 4th of July. I think it's really cute. I'm trying to find new ones so I can do the ones that I'm like used to at the end and give you the new ones first. So this is Beach Sage and Mint, which, that smells really good. This is Vibrant Mint Sprigs, Coastal Sage, and Crisp Bergamot. It smells really good. It smells more sagey to me than minty. I don't smell much mint or much bergamot, but I smell a lot of sage. I'll probably put this one in the kitchen. I'm not sure I would appreciate it in my living room. Fruity or more fun scents in my living room, but this one will be great in the kitchen. It would also, it kind of screws bathroom to me. I no longer light candles in my bathroom because my bathroom here is too small, but if I did light candles in my bathroom still, I would put this one in the bathroom. Next, we have Ocean Driftwood, which this is beachside oak, sea-washed mahogany, ocean, and ocean lavender. Sorry, they always put extra words at the end, so I think there's an and then there's not. This is amazing. I smelled this one last night because I was kind of excited. Some of the ones I did open and smell, and some of them I was like, yeah, I'll figure out what it smells like. This is one of the ones that I did open and smell last night. And it smells so good. Like, if you know mahogany teakwood, how it smells very masculine, this is very, very similar, except a bit more summery. I actually went on the internet last night to see if they had this in like a men's body wash because I was probably gonna get it for my husband. But yeah, this one smells very masculine yet beachy. I really like the smell of this one. This might be the first summer one I light because this one is, it's like mahogany teak wood in summer, which is amazing. The next one I have is an OG. This is Watermelon Lemonade, which this is one of my old school favorites. I think I actually still even have one from last year. It smells so good. It smells like watermelon lemonade, just like it says. The scents in here are watermelon, sparkling water, and Meyer lemon. I've always loved this. This is actually the candle I was burning the first time my husband ever came to like my apartment. This was what was burning, so I love this candle. I've always loved this candle, and I buy it every summer. I usually buy 2 or 3 in the summer. I only bought 1 this haul, but I'll probably buy more before the summer's over. The next one I have is called Ice Cream Bar, and I love this packaging. It's like kind of hippie, chippy, summery ice cream truck. I really like it. And this is glazed chocolate wafer, vanilla ice cream, and graham cracker crunch is what this is supposed to smell like. Yeah, this smells like an ice cream bar. It really is. It actually smells like ice cream. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird, but it actually smells like vanilla ice cream in like a fresh waffle cone. If you've ever been to a place, I don't know if it's just a New England thing, but there are places back home where you can get like fresh, homemade, handmade waffle cones. And that is kind of what this reminds me of, is that smell of the vanilla ice cream in the fresh waffle cone. The next one I have is warm apple pie, which my husband loved this one. He did open it last night and smell it. I remember a few years ago, okay, maybe more than a few, they had the hand soaps for the 4th of July, and they had the warm apple pie hand soap, and it smelled really, really good. So when I saw the candle, I had to get it just to try it and see what it smells like. It smells exactly like an apple pie just came out of the oven. I can only imagine when you like this, it's gonna smell like warm apple pie. It's gonna smell amazing. So the scents in here are Granny Smith apples, melted brown sugar, and flaky homemade pie crust. Their scents are not really very descriptive of what their scents actually are. But yeah, I remember the hand soap smelling amazing, so I wanted to try the candle. The candle smells really good. My husband's gonna wanna like that soon. This might be the first summer candle in my kitchen because my husband's gonna wanna like this one. Again, I like the packaging. I like the like 4th of July look and feel to the packaging. I think it's really pretty. And yeah, I wish they still had the soap. I did buy 1 hand soap, and I was looking for this one, thinking if they came out with the candle, maybe they came back out with the soap after all these years, but they didn't. So there was no matching hand soap, sadly. The next one I have is Sea Salt Linen. And I like this packaging. I like that this almost looks like a bronze like nameplate. I know it's not, it's really just a sticker, but it kind of looks like, you know, the bronze like they bolted on and whatnot. It kind of looks like that, so I'm okay with that. I think it's really cute. That smells really good. So this is white grapefruit, salted air, and lemon zest. I smell none of those things in here. So it's fresh linen. I do smell a sea salt linen. I smell sea salt. I was gonna say it smells like a beach. It kind of reminds me of like a fancy beach hotel. Like when you're staying at one of those really nice hotels on the beach, not like a Motel 6 or something like that, but like a really nice hotel. That's what this smells like. When you first walk in, yeah, when you first walk into those nice, fancy, hoity-toity beach hotels, that's what this smells like. So if you want your house to smell like that, sea salted linen. The next one I got is Coastal Watermelon, and again, it has that kind of hippie, dippy, kind of 70s vibe to the packaging. The scents in here are juicy watermelon, pink sea salt, and ocean waves. And like I said, it's Coastal Watermelon. I really like watermelon scents in the summer. I think they just are perfect. Watermelon and lemon are like my 2 go-tos. And that smells really good. it almost smells like you literally just cut into a watermelon. So I don't know why they really added the coastal to it. I guess just to put another word on the title. But it really smells like you bought a watermelon and you just cut into it on the beach. Yeah, that's really nice. It smells like straight watermelon. Can't go wrong with that. So this one. And then the last one that I got is called Turquoise Waters. I believe I've had this one in the past, but I don't honestly remember. And the scents in here are Coastal Waves, Sparkling Bergamot, Sun-Drenched Musk. Okay. Honestly, this is really bathroomy. I'm okay with it. I'm stumbling over my words. I don't love it. It wouldn't go on my list of like must-haves every summer, and by any means. I do love this packaging though. If you look really closely at the packaging, it almost looks like crochet or lace. I do really like that. And I specifically liked this matte white lid, which is silly, I know. You shouldn't buy things for the packaging or for the lids, but I liked the packaging on this one. But yeah, it does smell pretty bathroomy, if I'm gonna be honest. If you like candles in your bathroom, you might really like this one. But I personally, like I said, I don't like candles there, so I'll probably go in my kitchen or in my living room and just be light. So if you're new to my channel, that's how I use these candles. I use these as light at night. We don't really turn on much lights or use a lot of electricity unless like we're in the bathroom or something, but generally we function by candlelight in the evening and then use like our flashlights on our phones. Yeah, this will probably just be like ambiance lighting, but it's not one that I'm crazy about the smell of. And the last thing I bought, I did tell you I got one hand soap. So if you're not a member of Bath and Body Works rewards program, sign up for it, first off. It's only in select zip codes, but if you put in a random zip code, it'll let you sign up and still send your stuff to like your house. So I think I put in 90210 for a zip code and I still send my stuff to Florida and I get points for it. So do that. So I had a coupon for a free product under $12.50 or $17.50, something like that. And I decided to get a hand soap. And the one that I got is Rose Water Ivy, which I love this scent of candle. I've never bought anything else. Like I've never bought like the body wash or anything like that. I've only ever had the candle. So I'm excited to try the soap. It might be the next one I buy in body wash, because sometimes if I have one of those coupons, I will do the body wash and like lotion and stuff. I'll buy like this 3-piece set when it's like buy 2 get 1 free. I'll buy the 3-piece set and then get a piece free. But yeah, if I like this, I might grab that. If you've been around my channel, you're probably like, Heather, all of your house has those reusable soap containers. How are you going to use this? And guys, I'm changing back to this. I'm changing back to normal soaps. Honestly, I have the reusable Grove Collaborative soap dispensers in 2 of my 3 sinks. So my guest bathroom and my kitchen have the reusable soap pumps, and in my bathroom I've always had one of these. The reusable soap pumps now, 2.5, 3 years later, are rusting on the inside, like in this part, like where the soap comes out, they're rusting. So I go to wash my hand in the kitchen. I'm not even getting enough soap to wash my hands without pumping it like 100 times. And I'm also getting like orange gunky rust in my hands while I'm washing them. So those are gonna go in the trash once they're empty, because the one in my kitchen is close to empty. And I'm going back to these. Yeah, I'm going back. I know it's more expensive. I know it's not as nice to Mother Earth, but it makes my hands feel cleaner than washing them with rust. So I'll be going back to the foaming soaps from Bath and Body Works. I have a bunch of them, but I'll keep grabbing some for free when I get them. But that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I know this is a little out of my normal content, and most of my homeschool stuff is what I've been doing lately, and that is what this channel is going to be. But I love my Bath and Body Works candles, and I figured y'all would too. So if you are new, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. I will have a new video on Friday, which will be talking some more about homeschool. I think I'm doing, I forget, I laid it all out. But it will be a homeschool video on Friday if that is what you are looking for. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button to see all my new content every Tuesday and Friday. Like I said, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know, what do you buy from Bath & Body Works? Do you do all the candles like I do? Are you going back to their hand soaps? Comment down below and let me know what is something that you can't wait to get your hands on at this semi-annual sale this year. And I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.